In a tranquil village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a wise old Buddhist monk named Master Rangar. People from far and wide sought his counsel, eager to tap into the depths of his wisdom. What set Master Rangar apart was his remarkable ability to harness the power of disciplined thinking. One sunny morning, a young villager named Raj approached Master Rangar. Raj was troubled by the constant chatter of his mind, which seemed to bounce from one thought to another, like a restless monkey. "Master Rangar," Raj said, "I struggle with my thoughts. They often lead me astray, causing me to worry about the past and the future. How can I find peace within?" Master Rangar smiled gently and invited Raj to sit with him beneath a towering Bodhi tree. "Raj," he began, "the power of disciplined thinking lies in the art of mindfulness. Imagine your thoughts as a flowing river. Instead of trying to dam it or divert its course, simply observe it." Raj nodded, eager to learn more. Master Rangar continued, "Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Feel the air fill your lungs and then slowly release it. As you do, focus on your breath. When your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath." Raj closed his eyes and followed Master Rangar's instructions. At first, his thoughts raced like a wild river, but with each breath, they began to slow. "Now," Master Rangar said, "imagine your thoughts as passing clouds. Observe them as they drift by, without judgment or attachment. They come and go, like the changing seasons." Raj did as instructed, visualizing his thoughts as fluffy clouds against the backdrop of a clear sky. He watched them with detachment, feeling a sense of calm wash over him. "Remember," Master Rangar said, "disciplined thinking is not about suppressing thoughts, but about observing them with kindness and without attachment. With practice, you will find peace within the chaos of your mind." Over the following weeks, Raj diligently practiced disciplined thinking, just as Master Rangar had taught him. He found that by observing his thoughts, he could let go of worry, regret, and anxiety. His mind became a tranquil lake, reflecting the beauty of the present moment. As the seasons changed, Raj's newfound inner peace radiated outward, touching the lives of those around him. He shared Master Rangar's teachings with others, and the village became a haven of mindful living. So, my friends, the power of disciplined thinking is not about controlling your thoughts, but about observing them with mindfulness and compassion. Just as Raj learned from Master Rangar, by embracing this practice, you can find the peace and clarity that reside within your own mind. In the midst of life's chaos, disciplined thinking can be your guiding light toward serenity and contentment.